Hey everyone! Welcome to today's live extravaganza, where we're diving into a goldmine, your potential to earn without the grind. I'm your host, coming to you live with a game changer, the six-figure universe. Imagine turning this little device into your personal ATM. Sounds wild, right? But that's what we're all about, making money fun and easy, all from the comfort of your couch. First up, let's bust a myth. You don't need to be a tech wizard or a marketing guru. Nope, all you need? Just a dash of enthusiasm and our step-by-step blueprint to passive income. This isn't just any program, it's a digital treasure chest. Get this. You purchase our program, we show you how to set up for free, and boom, start posting ads and see the magic happen. And the best part? Every sale you make, the profit is 100% yours. Yeah, you heard that right. 100% in your pocket. Whether you're in your living room or on a beach in Bali, as long as you've got internet, you've got your business right with you. That's daily pay, my friends, making money while you sleep, eat, or binge watch your favorite series. Inside our community, it's not just about earning but learning. From zero to hero in digital marketing, you're covered. Plus, live sessions to keep you sharp and on point. So, what are you waiting for? It's now or never. Say yes to less work and more play. Join us. Let's make your bank account smile and secure that bag together. Don't just dream about success, make it your reality. Click the link, dive into the six-figure universe, and let's start this journey together. See you soon!